Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with our replacement electric fuel pump and level sender that fits a variety of GM vehicles, including the Chevy Silverado, the GMC Sierra from 1999 to 2003. You can check the product page for the full details. Now this kit includes a variety of components, and I'm going to go over each right now. So we have the fuel pump, which is located inside the basket here. We have the level sender here with float, which tells your vehicle the actual fuel level. It includes a new fuel pump tank gasket. And if we look on top of here, it has all of the kind of inputs and outputs to the fuel pump. Now you'll notice that there's two electrical connectors here. This pump does fit a variety of vehicles, and for that reason, we include a new electrical plug here that plugs into the pump. Depending on your vehicle, your plug may plug directly into here. If it does, you actually want to go ahead and inspect the plug over here for any sort of dirt or corrosion. If there's any signs of corrosion, you're going to want to change this because these GM vehicles during this time period have an issue where you'll get corrosion on here, and that actually causes premature wear of the fuel pump. Now, one of the things I want to talk about here is the wire colors. Now, depending on kind of the production week of your truck, the wire colors can be different. So the colors here versus the colors of your factory plug are not important. What is important is the location. So what you would want to do is you would want to take your factory plug and put this plug right beside it. So hold your factory plug here, look at this plug. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to take and you're just going to match the wires up. You don't need to pay attention to the colors. So this would be position 1. So you would take the wire from position 1 on your factory plug, and you would crimp it and then heat shrink it to position 1 here. Then you would cut wire from position 2, which would be here, second position, on your factory one, and connect it to position 2 here, and do the same thing for 3 and 4. It's pretty much straightforward. Just don't pay attention to the wire colors. And the last thing I want to go over is the actual heat shrink that we include, as well as connector sleeves here, crimp connector sleeves. And the reason we go this route is this is an important part of the vehicle, so we want to make sure that you have a tight connection there. So you can use these crimp sleeves, or alternatively, you can solder the wires directly together if you prefer, and then heat shrink them over for insulation.